Welcome to the Madhusudan Marble Podcast. Today we have a very special guest with us, Ms. Shreya Bagla, a very talented interior designer who recently completed a stunning project with Madhusudan Marble. We're excited to hear about her journey, inspiration, and thoughts on using marble in modern interiors. Welcome, Ms. Shreya.
Yeah, hi Gaurav. Thank you for having me here. It's really a pleasure being a part of Madhusudan Marble yet again, and I'm excited for this podcast.
So let us begin with, can you describe the design philosophies to us?
And talking about design philosophy, it's something like which I won't be repeating. So we try not to repeat our designs in any of our projects. So every project has to be different from one another.
Individuality is what you
say.
Can you tell us about your signature style?
See, our signature style is fusing different materials, different forms of designs together. I really love to use, our classical aesthetics with the modern interior elements, be it with any kind of material palette which we are using, and merging out different colors all together.
That's quite an aesthetic style. So when you walk into a space, what's the first thing that grabs your attention instantly?
So the thing is attention to details. What I would really love to see at any place where I walk to, how the things have been designed, how the placement of things has been done, what are the construction details, and to keep it as simple, like how the color palette has been used, so that the entire ambience looks good together.
So attention to detail is the key.
Yeah.
Get it. It's that.
There are many design trends in the market. What do you think is that one design trend that will never go out of style?
So design trend can be related with different kind of...
Let's say flooring.
It's flooring. With the flooring, I would say, as in if I talk about my personal style, I love using inlays. If we are using any kind of inlay pattern in the marble which we are using, or infusing two materials together to create a different pattern altogether, and in fact even if we are using two separate marble colors to enhance the color palette or to enhance the ambience of any given space, that is what I feel that adds a character to any given area.
Right.
And it will never go out, be it a classical element or be it any kind of modern design element.
Right. That's insightful. Okay. Let me ask you a personal question. Can you tell us about your dream project?
Well, my dream project, so there is no limit to my dreams actually.
Sky is the limit.
Sky is the limit. So there's nothing as in particularly. But what I really, feel I'm designing, like as a, which you can say like a dream for me would be something which, where, you get complete freedom from the client side, where you can put your brain on and together to create something which is aesthetically good, which defines our talent, our design aspects towards that project, because every mind works different from the other. And when we are working with any client, so their thought process matching up with our thought process is a different game altogether. But coming over to that challenge and to provide them the best of the livable space,
Right.
for the client and for the family members or for any given area, be it commercial, be it residential, be it any kind of given space, that is what should be the dream for any designer.
So complete creative control is what you're going for.
Yeah.
For your dream project, right?
Creative control and yet meeting out with the needs of align it with the client, altogether, because that is more important if your client is satisfied and if you're giving them whatever they want. So that, because at the end of the day, the user should be happy. It should be user friendly, and the end user should be happy with whatever we are designing and putting up there into. Yeah.
That's. Are there any design rules that you believe in breaking, and if so, why?
Design rules.
The rules that sometimes you break for your creativity to flow into.
So there is nothing as particular breaking, because unless I think everybody is breaking the rules only, and then they are only working better every day. So every designer or the architect, working breaking out the norms, the old patterns, and which is why they are able to, they're experimenting with new layouts, with new kind of patterns, new designs all together, and without breaking those notions, we can't be working. And we can't sustain actually.
Right.
The main thing is we can't sustain for longer than if we are going to work on the same old patterns.
Out with the old.
Yeah, out with the old classic.
What's your go-to marble color for making a bold statement in a room?
So my personal preferences are always neutral tones, lighter tones, because that gels up with the entire color palette so naturally and so nicely. I would love to use any kind of lighter tone, and my favorite in that scenario is I can say Satwario.
Okay.
Because I think Satwario has a texture and the kind of grains and elements it has in it, it gels up with any kind of other materials, be it any kind of paint, upholstery, fabric selection, or any kind of wooden paneling. It just lifts it up. So, yes, the lighter tone actually adds to the beauty.
Right. So that's quite a statement. Like you're using natural or neutral or lighter tones to make a bold statement.
And obviously it makes the area looks more wider, bigger,
Right.
rather than submerging it and making it a dead pocket, or you can say a dark pocket.
Right. What role does marble play in your work, and how do you decide on the pattern or color palette?
Nice question. Marble plays a very important role. See, frankly, what I feel with the usage of marble, and though we have many options available in the market right now, which is surpassing the usage of marble.
Okay.
But for the longer use, longer sustainability, and longevity also, marbles plays a very important role. It adds to the aesthetics first, and it's a material which beautifies as it gets old, what I think. So whenever a person is using marble, be it on floors or marble claddings or in the bathrooms as well, that is altogether a different kind of
Timeless experience.
And yet it adds to the beauty. And if I talk about design sense, we can create anything using marble. Any kind of detail, any kind of design pattern, be it inlays, be it groove designs, be it overlapping designs, creating backlit on. So all those experiences which we can create with the usage of marble and different colors. There are such beautiful colors available. So that totally adds to the beauty to any project. I highly recommend using marbles altogether. Yeah.
All right. How do you decide on a pattern or a color palette?
On the pattern and color palette.
Yeah.
For that, I really would like to know the taste of the end user.
Okay.
And as I said, I like using neutrals.
Right.
So the entire gallery, the entire color theory is decided according to the theme of the project. That's how we do it.
Or if given the choice, we'll lean towards the neutral shades, right?
Yeah, if given a choice. But if the end user wants a bold and something bold or looks, then obviously the entire design process has to be done in that line with them. Yeah.
Of course. Okay. What was your inspiration behind your recent project?
So my inspiration, or should I say the client's inspiration?
Okay.
So my inspiration was built after meeting the client, and the client, as I can say, they are a young couple.
Okay.
They wanted their place to be very vibrant, and as I said, I got freedom from the client side to use n number of shades. We have used pink onyx, we have used blue onyx, we have done the backlighting of onyx. We have used two separate marbles on the floor to separate the areas in between.
Right.
To create more connectivity in the flooring, we have done inlay with mother of pearl. So I've got a lot of freedom from the client side. Top it. And while designing also, the client was so enthused in selecting the color textures on the walls and so. So that has helped me out enough. It has come out as a really dream
project, exactly.
for the person.
Right. So that lines up with every expectations you had, right, getting into the project.
So there was no more from there. And we did exactly what they had in their mind, and I'm really happy that they are also happy with the end result.
All right, Ms. Shreya, for our next round, I'd advise you to take a sip of your coffee because we're moving into a rapid fire round.
I think we can start.
All right, so let's begin. Ready?
Yeah.
Polished or leather finish marble?
Polished.
Neutral tones or bold patterns?
Neutral tones.
Statement wall or statement floor?
Statement floor.
Modern minimalism or classic luxury?
Modern minimalism.
That was brilliant. I could clearly see the clarity of thoughts in you. Well, that brings us to the end of this insightful conversation. It's been wonderful knowing about your design journey and how marble plays an essential role in creating timeless spaces. Thank you for sharing your expertise with us, and thank you again, Ms. Shreya.
My pleasure. Thanks for inviting me here.